Florida has just been hit by the devastating Hurricane Milton. These images show the immense destruction caused by the storm. Rescue teams are working hard to find people trapped in the floodwaters. Some areas are flooded up to waist level, making rescue efforts challenging. Over 3 million people are without power, and major infrastructures like Tropicana Stadium have suffered severe damage. Authorities and residents are working hard to recover from this disaster. Milton is the third hurricane to hit Florida this year, and the damage is still being assessed.